Welcome to your quick Spanish grammar lesson. Today, we're mastering two very important verbs, ser and estar. In Spanish, both ser and estar mean to be, but they are used in different contexts. I will quickly explain the rules when to use each verb. We use ser and estar depending on what we're trying to describe. Is it something permanent, or is it something temporary? Watch until the end to learn some helpful tricks that will make it easier to remember everything. Let's start with ser. Use ser when describing something permanent or something that defines what a person or thing is. Use it for, first, descriptions of people, places, or things. These are qualities that are generally permanent and don't change quickly. For example,
El coche es rojo. Ella es alta.
2. Occupation. Use it to talk about someone's job or role. For example,
Soy profesora. Ella es ingeniera.
3. Characteristics are lasting traits that define someone or something. For example,
Ella es inteligente. El libro es interesante.
4. Time and dates. Remember, time and dates are constant and don't change, so we always use ser in these situations. For example,
Hoy es martes. Son las 2.
5. Origin. When you want to say where someone or something is from, this is a permanent fact about me. Where I'm from doesn't change. For example,
Soy de México.
6. Relationships. This includes relationships with family, friends, or other close connections. It's for describing how people are related to each other in a more permanent, defining way. For example,
Ellos son mis padres. Nosotros somos amigos.
now, let's read the full ser conjugation table. This shows you how ser changes based on the subject.
Yo soy. Tú eres. Él es. Ella es. Usted es. Nosotros somos. Nosotras somos. Vosotros sois. Vosotras sois. Ellos son. Ellas son. Ustedes son.
Here's a simplified table that might look more familiar. Save this video so you can easily come back to it later. Quick recap of what we've covered so far. Ser is used for 1. Description. 2. Occupation. 3. Characteristics. 4. Time and date. 5. Origin. 6. Relationships. Now, let's move forward to our verb, estar. It is used for, first, position. It describes where something is located in relation to other objects. For example,
El cuadro está arriba. Las llaves están aquí.
2. Location. It can refer to a place where someone is currently located. For example,
Estamos en la tienda. Ella está en casa.
3. Action. This category refers to ongoing actions or activities that are happening right now. For example,
Estoy trabajando. Estamos corriendo.
4. Condition. To describe temporary conditions like weather or the state of something. For example,
Estoy enfermo. Está frío.
5. Emotion. To describe the feelings or mood someone is experiencing at a particular moment. For example,
Estoy contento. Está enojado.
next, let's read the full estar conjugation table.
Yo estoy. Tú estás. Él está. Ella está. Usted está. Nosotros estamos. Nosotras estamos. Vosotros estáis. Vosotras estáis. Ellos están. Ellas están. Ustedes están.
And here's a simplified table for estar. Please save this video and like if you didn't do it yet. And here's a quick recap for the verb estar. We use it for position, location, action, condition, and emotion. Now, here's a trick to help you remember. Use the doctor abbreviation for ser. D. Description. O. Occupation. C. Characteristics. T. Time. O. Origin. R. Relationships. And use the place abbreviation for estar. P. Position. L. Location. A. Action. C. Condition. E. Emotion. This way, You'll know exactly when to use ser and when to use estar. Let's immediately test what you've learned with 4 simple sentences. Fill in the blank with the correct form of ser or estar. Pause this video, and in a few seconds, we will show you the answers. Take a moment to pause the video again, read the answers, and compare them with your own. Thanks for learning with me today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master these verbs.